How do you write an if statement in Tableau? In this example, I have regions split by areas. I'm going to use an if statement to split west, central, south, and east into areas 1 and 2. Let's take a look at how to do that in a new sheet. In my sheet, I have regions central, east, south, and west. I'd like to split them into areas. So let's add a new calculation. I'm going to call this if area. Start by writing an if statement. It looks like this. If region equals central, then area 1. Else if region equals east, then area 2. And just copy this. You just need more else ifs. And copy my else if statement. I'm going to test if region equals south. It's going to be area 2. And if region equals west, it's going to be area 1. If statements end with the word end. You can see the calculation is valid. Let's click apply and OK. Let's drag area, if area into rows, and you can see that central is area 1, east is area 2, and so on.